To use a virtual card, first set up an account by downloading the corresponding app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account by signing up with your phone number or social media account, or log in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the virtual card section, typically found in the main navigation or home screen, and follow the on-screen instructions to apply. The virtual card provider may require verification details, such as ID, to approve the card. Once approved, you can start shopping online or in-store at supported merchants. For online purchases, simply enter your virtual card details at checkout. For in-store purchases, open the card in the app and present the QR code for the cashier to scan at participating stores. Additionally, the virtual card allows for automatic payment splits, enabling you to divide your purchase into 3 installments, with the first payment made at checkout and the following 2 payments automatically deducted from your linked bank account every 30 days. You can also track your payments in the app, viewing your payment schedule, upcoming installments, and dates, and make early payments if desired.